My name is Alex Douglas, and I'm the founder of Schola Forest, which is a forest school and woodland learning company, working with adults, families, schools and young children to improve well-being and self-confidence. As a trained forest school practitioner, I've used from other sources originally a number of the activities in Geoffrey's books. They've taken me much further forward in my thinking and the rationale behind some of the games and activities. And the beauty of both of these books is there are a range of activities for whole groups, small teams and for individuals. Fun games are fun activities, but those which allow not just a connection with nature, but a depth of understanding, both physically and emotionally, that connection becomes quite vivid. As a particular game which I've used, as many people have, called Meet a Tree. And I've worked with Geoffrey in a workshop and read the book, and the way Geoffrey describes both the rationale behind using this activity and his explanation of previous experiences with groups using this has moved my thinking on to a depth of knowledge and understanding about group dynamics and awareness of the difference between connecting with nature with your head from an intellectual capacity to connecting with your heart and bringing out something which is innate in all of us. And that for me has been a huge reward from going through the books. And there are activities in here ranging from that can be used for children from quite young ages to adults. The beauty of the books is the way that they are both arranged, illustrated, beautifully illustrated actually, but with practical guides. So there's a tracking activity here to use in a sandbox, which is beautifully explained but also visually explained, making it a very practical book to take outside. There are some very deep concepts within the books which bring people who perhaps don't go outside or who are used to being outside but not used to actually taking the outside and nature into their core. So simple activities like spotting a thread, using your observational skills, honing your visual awareness, not just from a tunnel vision point of view but to a peripheral vision, to really closely connect with what's going on around you. And also they're very sensory. There are activities here which employ all the senses that we as humans have at our disposal. The books can be used sequentially, they can be used as one-off activities, but going through both the books now, the first and the second one, there are themes here which can be developed over quite a long period of time. So for those practitioners who, say if we're doing forest school, you will, using these activities, I believe, enhance your practice by developing, extending the activities here, so that it's going to be very easy to see the people's deeper connection and their deeper well-being as a result of being in nature with the aid of what Geoffrey's beautifully produced here.